This is a problem of probability. Here it is given that m and n are chosen at random out of integers 1 to 100 with replacement. Then the probability that a number of the form 7 raised to power m plus 7 raised to power n is divisible by 5 equals, we know that cyclicity of 7 raised to power a is of 4, 7 raised to power 1 ends with 7, 7 raised to power 2 ends with 9, 7 raised to power 3 ends with 3, 7 raised to power 4 ends with 1, 7 raised to power 5 ends with 7. So all the power of 7 that are of the form k plus 4 k plus 1, where k is a whole number, ends with 7, 4k plus 2 ends with 9, 4k plus 3 ends with 3, 4k plus 0 or 4k ends with 1. If 7 raised to power m plus 7 raised to power n is to be divisible by 5, then m if is of the form 4k plus 1, then n has to be of the form 4k plus 3, and vice versa. If m is of the form 4k plus 2, then n has to be of the form 4k plus 4 or 4k or 4k plus 0. And there are 25 numbers of each of the forms among first 100 natural numbers. Now we have got to find the number of favorable ways. If m is of the form 4k plus 1, this can be chosen in 25 ways. N has to be of the form 4k plus 3. This can again be chosen in 25 ways, as the second number is chosen after replacement. And when m is of the form 4k plus 3, then n has to be of the form 4k plus 1, which means this case will be twice. Similarly, when m is of the form 4k plus 2, n has to be of the form 4k, and vice versa. So the total number of favorable ways will be 2 into 25 into 25 plus 2 into 25 into 25, and the total number of ways in which the two number can be chosen out of the 100 numbers with replacement is 100 into 100. Therefore required probability is 2 into 25 into 25 plus 2 into 25 into 25 upon 100 raised to power 2. This comes out to be 1 by 4. Hence option A is the required answer.